It's a turkey roulade. For the stuffing for this is just straight up Italian sweet sausage. So whether or not you use the sausage, totally up to you. But the base is celery and onion, but we also add fennel and garlic. So that's what's cooking down in butter. Oh, sorry, apple, but fennel is included here versus just apple, celery, and onion.
Give it that sausagey vibe.
Right. And we're going to mix the sausage back in. I started the sausage first, if you're using the sausage. Start the sausage first, you'll have some of those drippings. But I cook the vegetable fruit mixture in butter. I let the sausage drain on a little paper towel lined sizzle plate. And once we get these guys just tender, we're going to add about a half a bag for each roulade. So if you're making 2, you need the whole bag. If you're making 1, you only need half a bag. Rubber band it, throw it back in the pantry, use it on another day. Once we get that in there, I'm going to start adding a little splash of Applejack or apple brandy, or this is Calvados, a little splash of white wine. And then to get it moist all the way through, chicken or turkey bone broth or stock to get this nice and moist. Okay? Then, once this guy's done, take it out, add the sausage or don't. So we're going to throw some fresh herbs into both our stuffing and our gravy when we're done. We'll get to that later. When you order the turkey breast, ask for a very large turkey breast. Each breast is, a turkey breast, the full breast, 2 lobes. Each lobe, you're going to cut horizontally and butterfly it. See how we have skin just on one side here? Okay? Once you open it, just think about it like a giant cutlet. Then you're going to take your meat mallet and pull towards yourself or push away. Gently. You don't want to make giant holes in the turkey breast, okay? Get it as thin as possible, keeping the integrity of the meat. When we get to this point, put string underneath and season with salt and pepper so you're ready to go. I am going to slather the inside.
Mustard makes everything better.
I love Dijon. So Dijon all over the surface of the turkey breast. Here's our cooled stuffing mixture with the fennel, apple, celery, onion, and sausage or not sausage, up to you. I have my rings off, and you just got to get in there with an egg and combine. I already got poultry on my hands. Yeah. Can you sprinkle some Bell's seasoning over it? All right, you're good. Then you're going to spread the love. Spread your filling around. I leave a little flap on one end, right? And I leave a little blank spot over here to get the guy going. To get the tom turkey rolling. And I just work all the way across. Tuck your little flap in. Flip that sucker over and put the pretty skin side up. Then you just pull those strings that you already pre-cut through and start tying them on down the line. Yada, yada. That's the tied one.
Put it in the oven?
Put that guy in the oven. And you're going to roast him until the center of the roulade is about 160. Take him out, cut the strings off, and let him rest. The longer you let the roulade rest, the more successful it will be when you slice it. To go with that, and these recipes are up online for you, this is the same gravy I make every year on this show. You just make some roux, add a little Worcestershire to it, add your turkey or chicken stock, and thicken it up. At the end, right before I serve, I add some fresh herbs. That's why we reserve some from the roulade itself. Here's the roulade when it comes out after it sets.